Good morning, students. After completing exercise 2.1, in which we have done the concept of addition and subtraction of like fractions, unlike fractions, today we are going to study the new topic, that is multiplication of fractions. Let us understand multiplication of fractions through the pictorial representation. Multiplication of a whole number by proper or improper fraction. As you already know, what is multiplication? Multiplication is just repeated addition. See, I have drawn here two circles, divided it into four equal parts and shaded one part. So here 1/4 is shaded. If I have to write in fraction, it will be 1/4. In the second circle also, I have shaded 1/4. So if I have to make the pictorial representation of this, if I have to add this, so what I will do? In the third circle, the final circle, two portions are shaded. That means out of 4, 2 are shaded, so it is 2/4. Or I can write this as 2 multiplied by 1/4, that is equal to 2/4. So it is repeated addition. 1/4 plus 1/4. 2 times 1/4 gives us 2 into 1/4, that is 2/4. We can take another example. One grid I have made of 3/3, that is 9 squares. In this I have shaded 2. So it is 2 upon 9. Here also I have shaded 2. It is 2 upon 9. If I have to write the complete, how many will be shaded now? Total 4 will be shaded. So you will shade here 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 2 multiplied by 2/9 equals to 4/9. So if the question comes that multiply whole number by a fraction in the form of a pictorial representation. So we will show the pictorial representation like this. Now multiplication of a proper whole number by proper or improper fraction. For example, if I get 3 multiplied by 1/2. So what I will do? This whole number I will write as 3/1. As you know, nothing is in the denominator, means 1 is there. 1/2 I have written as such. Now numerator multiply by numerator, that is 3 into 1, upon denominator multiply by denominator, that is 1 into 2. So it is equal to 3/2. So it's very simple. I have taken here a whole number and a proper fraction. Whenever a whole number and a proper fraction is given, first of all, the whole number I will make it as fraction 3/1. Here I have written 1/2. Then numerator multiply by numerator, denominator multiply by denominator, and I get the result. I can take an improper fraction also here. Suppose if I have 2 multiplied by 5/3. So here what I will do? Same. 2 I will write as 2/1. Numerator multiply by numerator. 2 into 5, 10. Denominator multiply by denominator. 1 into 3, 3. So answer is 10/3. If the answer comes in improper fraction, we change it to mixed fraction. But here, whole number was multiplied by an improper fraction. So answer obviously will come in improper fraction. Let us try these of page number 34. First part is 2/7 multiplied by 3. So proper fraction multiplied by whole number. So what I will do, 2/7 multiplied by 3 I can write as 3/1. Now numerator multiply by numerator, 2 into 3 upon denominator multiply by denominator. So it is 6/7, which is a proper fraction. So answer is 6/7. Second part is improper fraction, 9/7 multiplied by whole number 6. So 9/7 multiplied by 6/1. Numerator multiplied by numerator, 9 into 6 upon denominator multiplied by denominator, 7 into 1. 9 6 are 54, 54/7. In the question you can see at the last they have written the statement, if you get the answer in improper fraction, change it to mixed fraction. Now till now you might have learned how to change an improper fraction to mixed fraction. So you can do and see, or if you can do it mentally, well and good. 7 7s are 49, remainder 5. So Q R upon D. This is R, this is Q, and this is D. So what I will write first? 7, 5 upon 7. So this way we can do multiplication. C and D part you will try yourself. Question number 2 is represent pictorially 2 multiplied by 2/5 into 4/5. 2 multiplied by 2 by 5. So 2 by 5, if I represent in the form of a picture, I will draw a rectangle, divide it into 5 equal parts, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Another rectangle same, I will again divide it into 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2 by 5. This is also 2 by 5. I have to shade two parts. Here I am shading these two parts, first and second. Here I am shading these two parts are shaded. So total how many parts are shaded? 2 here and 2 here, 4 parts are shaded. So in the final picture, again divide it into 5 equal parts, 3, 4, 5 and shade 4 parts, 2, 3 and 4. So this representation is 2 into 2 by 5. That is equal to 4 by 5. So if the question comes represent pictorially, this way you have to represent 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 equals to 2 multiplied by 2 by 5, that is 4 by 5. Next is multiplication of a whole number by a mixed fraction. That is also very simple. Mixed fraction, first we will change it to improper fraction. When mixed fraction becomes improper fraction, then the process is same, multiplication of a whole number by improper fraction. Numerator will multiply by numerator, denominator by denominator, and we get the answer. Try this given on page number 34. Find 5 multiplied by 2, 3 by 7. So 5 I will write as 5 by 1 multiply by mixed fraction change to improper. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3, 17. 17 by 7. So 5 into 17 upon 1 into 7, that is 85 upon 7. Now it is improper, change it to mixed. So it will come 12 1 by 7. While converting improper to mixed, if you want to show the division, you can show here. Or you can do in rough, choice is yours. 7 2s are 14. Remainder is this, quotient, divisor, QRD 12 1 by 7. So this is the answer. Second part is 1 4 by 9 multiplied by 6. Again 1 4 by 9, change it to improper. 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 by 9 multiplied by 6 by 1. Numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator. 13 6 are 78. 78 upon 9. Divide it and change it to mixed fraction. 78 you can divide by 9. 9 8s are 72. Remainder 6. So it is 8 6 upon 9. Now you can see this 6 and 9 can be cancelled by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So it will be 8 2 by 3. So you might have seen that multiplication of a whole number and mixed fraction is very simple. Change mixed fraction to improper and then follow the same process. Next topic is fraction as an operator of. Of means multiplication. The questions are given like this. Try this on page 35. What is 1 by 2 of 10? So what I will do, 1 by 2, in place of I will put multiplication sign. 10 is a whole number, I will write 10 upon 1. Numerator multiplied by numerator, 1 into 10 upon denominator multiplied by denominator, 2 into 1. That is 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. Second part is 1 by 4 of 16. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 16 upon 1. So 1 into 16 upon 4 into 1. That is 16 upon 4. Divide 16 by 4, what you will get? 4. Third part is 2 by 5 of 25. Again 2 by 5, in place of I will put multiplication sign. 25 I will write as 25 by 1. Numerator multiplied by numerator. 2 into 25. Denominator multiplied by denominator. 5 into 1. 25 2s are 50 upon 5, that is equal to 10. So this way in the question, if the operator of comes, we have to change this of to multiplication and then carry the multiplication. Starting exercise 2.2, if you see, question number 1 is which of the drawings A to D show. So this you have to match the column, you can do in the book itself. Question number 2 also, some pictures are shown, tell which of them show the fractions, this also you have to do in the book. Question number 3 is multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. 3 parts of this question I will do, remaining you will do as homework. The first part is 7 multiplied by 3 by 5. So 7 you will write as 7 by 1 into 3 by 5. Numerator multiply by numerator, denominator multiply by denominator. 7 3s are 21, 21 upon 5. It is an improper fraction. Change it to mixed fraction. It will come 4 1 by 5. Second part is 4 multiplied by 1 by 3. 4 you will write as 4 by 1 into 1 by 3. Numerator multiply by numerator, denominator multiply by denominator. So 4 by 3. Then you have to write in mixed fraction. You will write or 1 1 by 3. Because it is specifically mentioned in the question, convert to mixed fraction. So we have to convert. Next is 2 multiplied by 6 by 7. So 2 by 1 into 6 by 7. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 12 by 7 or 1 5 by 7. So the remaining parts you will do yourself.